Hey guys, today we are going to be making a reclining chair. So let's get started. I'm going to start off with this 2x4 plate. Next I'm going to use this 2x4 brick and I'm going to put it on top. Now I'm going to use these 1x1 bricks and I'm going to put them in the back over here, like this. I'm going to use this 1x2 brick with hook. 1x2 plate with hook. And I'm going to set it off to the side. Now we're going to build the backrest. I'm gonna need this brick. I don't know what it is called, but I'll need that. And I'll need this 1x2 plate. I'm gonna put it in the back. Next, I'm gonna need 2 of these 1x2 flat tiles. I'm gonna put them on top over here. Now you could use a 2x2 flat tile, but I have this, so I'm gonna use this. Now I'm going to put it over here, and I'm going to use these 1x1 studs and put them over here on this brick. Now this is going to act as the armrest, and then I'm going to put a 1x2 plate over here, and then I'm going to use this 2x2 flat tile over here, and now we have a reclining chair. Now it can go like over here. You can make it like this. Now, if I were to get a Lego character, maybe Zorp, maybe he can sit here. Wait, let me try if I do this. I need to stick him on, so that's why I took out that. But he can sit perfectly. He can sit perfectly, and he can sit regularly. And then if I put this back on here. Maybe you can make this higher if you want to. And then I have Lenny over here. Notice that I changed her head. I actually switched it to light. I switched her head to green eyes and freckles. So I can sit her over here, and then maybe she can lay back over here. Regular. And yeah, that sums up the tutorial of the reclining chair. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and see you next time. Bye!